I feel like the past couple of weeks I've not had my life together. एक दो हफ्ते से मैं जिम नहीं गई हूँ. My hair are a mess. My nails, let's not even talk about them. So today I'm resetting my life because this cannot go on any longer. So बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं आज एजेंडा पे. First things first, I have to go to the gym no matter what. इसलिए सुबह उठते ही सबसे पहले मैंने अपने जिम के कपड़े पहन लिए so that I do not procrastinate. उसके बाद I have to get my brows done. I have to do in everything sharp. Then I have to style my hair. I have to do my nails. I have to read at least 10-15 pages of a book. उसके बाद मेरे को अपनी वैनिटी क्लीन करनी है, अपना बेडरूम क्लीन करना है. And yeah, lots to do today. So let's get right into it. So my hair wash routine is a bit different than most people. What I usually do is I take my shampoo, I lather it on my scalp, I do not touch it on my ends, and then I take a conditioner and apply it from the mids to my lengths. I let them both sit in for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then I go in again with my shampoo on my scalp and conditioner on my ends. This prevents your ends from getting dry because you anyway do not need to apply shampoo on your ends. So while I have the shampoo on my scalp, I like to condition my ends as well, and I use this brush to deeply clean my scalp. Now post that is when I go in with a hair mask. Hair masks are something I swear by, and I use them every single week. A conditioner alone can never do what a hair mask does, so definitely give it a shot. Now while the hair mask is working, I put a clutcher in and get them out of my face, and then I go in with my body washes. So once a week I use an anti-acne body wash on my back, and on the rest of my body I use a dry sensitive body wash. Now dermats will say loofahs are not good for your body washes, they harbor bacteria, but I just can't let go of my loofahs. Now after my body wash, I go in with a body scrub. This is something that I do once a week. It removes dead skin and also help improve the texture of your overall skin. So I like to do it at least once a week. And then I just wash everything off, tie my hair in a microfiber towel, and then I go in with my skincare. So I like to moisturize my skin while it's still damp. That is how it penetrates into your skin the best. Next I go in with face mask. Now I've got a combination skin with my T-zone being oily and acne prone, and the rest of my skin dry and eczema prone. So I applied two masks, one a clay mask for my oily skin and another one that's hydrating like this honey mask. So I apply both of them generously and then let them be for about 20 minutes. And then I gently remove it.